Passing it. Alright, going back for boost. It's all yours.
It's perfect. I've done this shot 100, no, 1,000 times in training. I wouldn't skip this upcoming replay even if the X button cured cancer. I've got this. I've got it. I
got it! Whoa, what are you doing? Trying to win the game? You shouldn't be up here. But I said I got it, though. You didn't say it until you were already basically getting it, though. Well, you didn't say it at all. Can't read your mind, bro. Own goal.
Huh. I think one of us should have stayed back to save that. I'm talking about you.